Carpe Diem is the title of this small collection from our friends at Rosie Studio. Now this is a 6x6 paper pad. There are 40 sheets, which is quite a number. There are 20 designs. You're going to get 2 of each one. So let me just walk you through those 20 designs. Here is the first, and these are printed single-sided. But in addition, you are going to get some papers that will be foiled, and that's always a really nice. This is a very old map because it's talking about France up here in part of Canada, so that's fun to see. And here is one of the foiled sheets, really pretty. Some marble with a stripe, and it's also Moirier. There's some hydrangeas. There's another of the foiled butterflies and flowers in a glass jar. This is another of the foiled. So you can see there's just quite a variety of papers, and that's going to go very nicely with the die cuts that I'll show you next. But I first want to go through all of these. So you've got some backgrounds, you've got some focals, just a variety for you. And then we're back to that first sheet. So that's the 20. In addition, there are 124 die cuts. Now, let me show them to you. This is a snapshot of all of them, but I have taken them out. And everything that I'm showing you, you're going to get 2 of each one. And as you can see, some of them are foiled, so that's just really pretty. And you can see that the imagery is duplicated from the papers, and then there are many things that you can add. In fact, there were so many that there were even more that I didn't have room for. Have courage and be kind, and rise and shine with a grateful heart. Every picture has a story to tell. We've got a king and queen playing cards, and beautiful chaos and just some really fun embellishments. So this is the Carpe Diem collection from our friends at Rosie Studio that come from New Zealand.